Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Sri Gauri Maths Academy channel. I am H.G. Manjunatha. Dear students, PUC and diploma students, tomorrow I will take maths classes for you. Today this is basics of algebra. So this is also helpful to all classes, not only for you. It helps to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 classes also who are learning slowly, So those persons practice, it will be easy for you. Okay. Let's come to the topic basics of algebra. What is algebra? It is one of the branch of mathematics deals with the study of variables or unknowns. Variables or unknowns. That means, see, what do you mean by variables? Sir? Variables means letters. You can choose any letters, that is A, B, C, or to Z. Any letter you can choose. What it represents, it takes some value. Suppose if I mention 100, so I know. Instead of 100, if I put x, so I don't know. Just an example I will give. Dear students, is it possible to count stars in the sky? No. Billion stars are there. Yes or no? Is it possible to count? No. Then what you will do? You are going to be putting x. Another example. Just you go through the tree, big tree. Is it possible to count the leaves? No. Yes or no, students? That's why. So the numbers we are going to be denoting x. Okay, students. So this is called algebra. So who was the father of algebra? Muhammad Ibn Musa. Muhammad Ibn Musa was the father of algebra. Clear, students? So and one more thing. So here I am going to be taking the definitions all that one, that is one by one. Let us learn. The first one is what is term. Before going to term, see first you learn constant. That is very important. Constant. What is constant? What do you mean by constant? Constant means in algebra. So constant is defined as. So here no variables. No variables, only numbers. See, if I put 3, it is a constant. It doesn't appear. Doesn't appear, that is what you call that, what I said, that is the variables, x, a, b, c, like that. No, only the numbers 3, 5, 10. All these constants. Yes, students. So, what is term? Term or algebraic term? Any number multiplied by the variable together. That means 5x, 5x. Here, 5x. So this is algebraic term. Algebraic term. 5x plus 5 is algebraic term. Constant and term. See, algebraic term. Here only numbers. So here numbers with a variable. This is algebraic term. Term or algebraic term. Clear, students? And what is algebraic expression? Very, very important and interesting. So, what is algebraic expression? See, algebraic expressions means you know the fundamental operation. What are the fundamental operations? Fundamental operations are in mathematics plus, minus, into, division sign. These are the four fundamental operations. Yes, or no, students? Yes. That means algebraic expression means what? Algebraic expressions means, see here, the fundamental operations are connecting between the variable and constant. Fundamental operations, either you can use plus sign, or you can use minus sign, or you can use into, or you can use division sign. The fundamental operations are connecting between to the variable and constant. The fundamental operations are connecting between the variable and constant. It's called algebraic expression. Now, another example. See, if you take x square plus 5x minus 3 here, x square plus 5x minus 3 here, see plus minus. Clear? The fundamental operations are connecting between variables. This is the variable and constant. Clear, students? Yes. Another example, if you want to see 1 by 2m plus 10c and 4x square into 5x 4x square into 5x. Division symbols also are used. Same plus minus into all the fundamental operations are used. So this is called algebraic expression. Now let's go to types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. That is, the first one is monomial. Second one is binomial. The third one is trinomial. The fourth one is polynomial. Polynomial. These are the types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. What is monomial? An expression having single term. An expression having single term. So it's called monomial. That means, see, you can take any example, that is 7x square. See, only single term. There is no other term. Single term only. Even 10m 1 by 2p, okay, etc. To give an example. And one more thing, one clarification I am giving. Suppose if anybody will ask a question, yes, 5 is also a monomial, somebody will ask, yes, 5 is also a monomial. Can you agree? Some students no, they will say. Some students yes, they will say. Why? Actually, that is correct. 5 is also one month. Sir, before only you said that is constant. Why you are using this one? Monomial term. Yes, that is the trick is there, students. You can write 5 into 1. It can be rewritten as 5 into 1. 5 into 1, 5 itself. And any variable you can take 1. We instead of this one, any variable x, x, y, a, b, c, any variable you can take, put 0. Anyways, rise to the power 0, the value is 1. Then again it becomes 5 with x to the power of 0, c. This is, you can say, this is also a monomial. This is also a monomial. Be careful. So 5 is also there, of course, the definition is just constant term, I agree. Sometimes while a monomial, some students, they want to give examples. They will write 5. 5 is instead of writing 5, you write like this. You will get the marks. Okay, that is monomial. Clear, students? Now come to binomial. Binomial is what? An expression having two terms. An expression having two terms called binomial. For example, 3m square minus 10. See, two terms. An expression having only two terms. Just as I said, fundamental operations are connecting between constant and the variables is called algebraic expression. In that type of algebraic expression is binomial. See, I have connected here, nothing is understood plus. This is minus. See, clear, students? And another example, a square minus b square, you can take 10x plus 5. See, these are examples for binomial. Okay, now trinomial. Trinomial means what? An expression having three terms. An expression having three terms is called trinomial. That is ax plus bx plus c mean xy. Okay, or you can say x plus y plus z, three terms. Or another example, if you want 4m square minus 5m plus 10, three terms. Concept is three terms. Three terms, that is trinomial is three terms. Concept is trinomial, three terms. And expressions having three terms called trinomial. Clear? Now last come to polynomial. Polynomial means an expression having more than three terms. An expression having more than three terms. For example, x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 6x plus 10. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I said? An expression having more than three terms called polynomial. And one important note, please be careful, children. See, here this is variable, okay, and this is called power, degree. So always it should be positive, no negative terms. Be careful. If it is negative, don't consider this one as a polynomial. No. If all negative numbers happens, so no, it is not a polynomial, and it is not an expression also. Here it should be positive. All numbers should be there. Clear, students? This is very, very important note. And now let's move to the important note, that is the quotient, algebraic quotient, and the numerical quotient. For example, 10p, if I take 10p. So here, p, this is called 10 is called coefficient of p. And here, this is variable and this is constant. Yes or no, students? Just I explained. That is here, you can take, this is called numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical quotient. And this is called algebraic coefficient. This is called algebraic coefficient. Coefficient. Algebraic coefficient. Okay, students? This is important thing. Now let's go to important thing, that is the like and unlike terms. Okay, students, like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. See here, like and unlike terms. See, I will know practically, so you will be understand what are like terms, what are unlike terms. That is very, very important. Like this here, an expression having the same variable and same powers are called like. How? Look at the board. See here. This is one teaching aid I made just for understanding purpose. See here. Chili I have taken. See, this is I am going to be considering as that is x, completely x. See here, what I said, an expression having the same variables. Here I have taken chili as x. I have taken x. See, this is the power for understanding purpose. So I done like this for understanding purpose. See here, 4. This is x power. See, right, 4. X to the power of 4. Okay. Then y to the, x to the power of 4. Sorry, x to the power of 4, comma, x to the power of 4. See here, and expressions having the same variables and same powers are called like terms. Like terms. So what are unlike terms? Yes, an expressions having here different variables and different powers. See, one onion I have taken, consider as x, and tomato I have taken, consider as y, and this is now before I took x, now you consider as z. Okay. Now, see here, this is important. Clear, students? Now, see x square, y cube, z to the power of x. Here, variables are different. Different variables and different powers are called unlike terms. And you can express this definition in another way. So how? I will explain it. Just I will explain. Wait. Just another way you can express this definition here. So the chili here I have taken Z, just I said, Z here. Variables are same. Of course, I agree. Variables are same. Chilies are same. Okay. See the power 3, 4, 8. Another way also you can express this definition. Same variables, different powers. See, different powers. Got the students? So this is also unlike terms, not like terms. Some children they are going to be mistaking. Oh, sir said same variables. That's why they will write like. No. Same variables, same powers. Like here, different variables, different powers. Clear students? And here, of course, same variables, I agree, but different powers. Clear students? In another way also you can express this one. Another one also. See here, another one example I will give same. So another one example I will give. So here, if you take, see here, different variables, different powers. Same variables, here, same variables, different powers. Now, see, just look at the word z to the power of, that is 8, y to the power of 8, p to the power of 8. Here what happened? Is it a like term? No. This is also unlike terms. Of course, powers are same, I agree, but see the variables. Variables are different. Again, this is also unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Clear students? This is very, very important thing. And don't forget this one, like and unlike terms. This is very, very important. And one more thing, see, sometimes students, while they are addition, they are doing that addition. See, this is X, Y, Z. They will like the answer X, Y, Z. This is completely wrong. X plus y plus z is that answer only x plus y plus z. I will show how to do addition also within simple 1 minute you can learn addition and subtraction. Very easy algebra. Really very easy. So x plus y plus z, don't write x y z. X plus y plus z is x plus y plus z itself only, and x minus y minus z, x minus y minus z itself only. Clear students? So now another example. So then how to add like terms can possible to add or subtract. Unlike terms can't. Keep it as it is. Now one example I will show. See, this is x. If I consider another one x plus x, 2x. Simple addition. Operation on addition, you can say x plus x, 2x. Then if you take another one x, 3x. Clear students? Suppose variable comes, what we do? Variable comes, power comes, what we do? Variables is okay, same variable, same power, okay, I agree. Suppose if here, if x cube, then here also one x cube, then another one also x cube. See, x cube plus x, see, x cube, see one x cube, I am considering this one as x cube. Then, comma x cube here, comma x cube. The question add, then what you will do? X cube plus x cube plus x cube. Here quotient nothing is there, understood one. Just previously I explained. So quotient nothing is there here, understood one. Numerical quotient. Clear students? X cube plus x cube. See, 1x cube plus 1x cube, 2x cube, 2x cube plus 1x cube, 3x cube. Clear students? And some students they will write 3 they will write, and this is they will add 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, that is this is they will write, this is completely wrong. You are doing addition, not multiplication. Multiplication comes I will explain later. Subtraction I will explain later that one. First you understand this one. Addition how to do. X cube plus x cube plus x cube, 3x cube. See? Simple, very simple way you can express this one. In the same way, I will give another example. So very, very simple examples. So algebra. So that is for example, 2x square y, comma 4x square y, comma 10x square y. In your textbook, you see in your textbook exercise problem. Here all problems I have created. So got the students? Completely created my own example. In the same way you can express. So there you can see the exercise problems and you can work out that one. So here Add the following question will ask. Then what you will do? See, what I said, these are like terms. Will you agree or not? Yes. How? See here, quotients are different. Don't bother the quotient. See first variables. See here, x is variable, x is a variable, x is a variable, y is variable, y is the variable, and y is variable. Here nothing is there. Power one is there. Don't write. It is understood. You can, if you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, it is understood. Don't write here. Same variables and same powers are called like. Now, what is the sign for addition? Plus, you can use it. Then add it first. First, you add the numerical quotient 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 10, 16. Keep it as it is this x square y. That's all. Some persons they will teach like this. Dear students, take x square y common outside 2 plus 4 plus 10. Then you can add. This is 16. Then after you multiply 16 x square y. They will teach like this. So this is also correct. You go, methods are different, but shortcut, simple way we can explain. First you add and keep as it is the quotient. Okay, students. So subtraction, multiplication, I will explain in the next class. What students? So you can practice more and more and more, then you can understand how to solve. It's very interesting and very important things, basics for you. So please, once again I am requesting, please watch my channel, like it, subscribe it, share it more, and it helps to other people also, other students also. They can also learn. So today even your parents, if they are watching this one, they can also easily understand this one and easily they will also do this one. So not only purpose for you. So I am make this one for all. So all can learn. Okay, students. So thank you very much.